Hi, everybody. Chris here, creator of Lightning Bolt Fix. Want to thank you for installing Lightning Bolt Fix into your browser, and hopefully we can help you get started right away with this little demonstration video. So we have an error, as you can see, that's already been thrown by Bolt. So let's click on the little lightning bolt. I'm going to assume that you've already gone through the onboarding process. However, I'm also going to assume that you're using the Google Gemini 2.0 Flash free tier. And the reason I recommend this is because, number one, it's free. Number two, it works extremely well. However, you do have the option of adding your own APIs from other providers. You could Google and OpenAI, Meta, whomever you wish. I just happen to think that oops, I just set the wrong default. I just happen to think that using Google Gemini 2.0 Flash, the free tier, works extremely well, and it saves you the most money in the long term. So let's go over here to the Fix Code tab. And the way Lightning Bolt Fix works is you go from top to bottom. You select an error message, you select the plan that Bolt gives you, and then you paste in the full code file. So let me show you how to do this. It's actually really simple. Let's begin over here. In Lightning Bolt Fix, we take advantage of Bolt's discuss problem or discuss icon here. Discuss problem we use when Bolt has thrown an error. If we want to just modify some existing code, we can use discuss. So I'll show you examples of both. First, let's discuss this problem, this error that's been thrown. Okay, we have an error, we have a plan, and we have a link to the code which needs attention. So this is what we do. We come over here to select error message, click on it. Now this is a selector element. We mouse over to the first message. We call this the error message. Click on it, and you can see it populates the error message box. Then we go to the plan, next in line. Once again, click on the button, select the plan. In this case, we have just one step, but often plans will have multiple steps. You can select the whole thing if you need to, or just bits and pieces if you want, but I just recommend selecting the whole plan. Click that, and you can see it populates the text box. Next step is paste full code file here. Well, how do we do that? Well, very kindly, Bolt has provided us a link to the code that needs our attention. So we come over here, we click on this. This happens to be the app.tsx file. Here it is. And we know that because there it is in the navigation. And we're going to select the whole thing. I'm on a Mac, so what I do is Command A, highlights the whole thing, Command C, copies it, and then Command V, I paste the whole file here. You see that this button, this Fix Code button, just turned blue, which means it's ready to start. So let's give it a go. Click that. While we wait, let's look at this. We have 18.2 million monthly tokens remaining. If all goes well, and it will, our Lightning Bolt Fix will correct this issue, but it won't cost us any tokens. If we were doing this inside of Bolt, instead of via an outside LLM, it would cost us 50 to 100,000 or more tokens. Okay, so the code, the fix has been made. We scroll down and we copy fix code. Once again, come in, click into the code file anywhere, and select all, paste, save, and then when I hit preview, that error should be gone. I'm going to refresh, and indeed, the error is gone. We want to fix a new error. Let's actually do this. I don't want to fix an error. Instead, I want to make a change, a simple change to this landing page. So what I'm going to do is this. I have these launches coming up. Here's the product hunt badge. I'm going to ask Bolt, by using the discuss feature, please remove the product hunt embed code. Simple as that. And so, and just keep in mind, 18.2 million monthly tokens. I'm going to discuss this, let Bolt come up with its own plan for removing this, and then come back to Lightning Bolt Fix right here in the sidebar, and we'll go from top to bottom. Select error message, boom. Even though it's not an error, it functions the same way. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the plan. You can see it's in here, including the code that needs to be worked on. We're going to open app.tsx, select all, copy, paste, fix code. This will, if it all works correctly, and it will, remove that product hunt badge from the front page, from the landing page. And just keep in mind, we're at 18.2 million monthly tokens. Okay, we can see that the Lightning Bolt Fix has done its work. Copy, fix code. Paste it in here, save, and when I preview, product hunt badge is gone. And it didn't cost us any tokens. We still have 18.2 million monthly tokens, and we can do some heavy lifting with Bolt, more design work, more real back-end work. The point of the extension is to take these little things, that these errors and these little modifications that cost us so many tokens over time, and do them here for free and save our tokens for the heavy lifting that Bolt does such a great job of. Okay, hope this helps. If you have any questions, get in touch with me, and I'd love to have your feedback. Okay, hope you enjoyed Lightning Bolt Fix.